Today I'm going to show you this teeny tiny little USB flash drive from SanDisk called the Cruzer Fit. Not Crucifix, Cruzer Fit. As you can see, it's absolutely tiny and weighs literally next to nothing. It's available in 8 gigs, 1632 all the way to 64 gigabytes. You can get larger versions up to 512 gigs, but that's only on the newer Ultra Fit USB 3 version, so not to be confused with this version, which is only USB 2. With that being said, let's jump straight into the benchmark results, starting with a synthetic test. I ran the test 5 times to get an average write speed of 4.14 megabytes a second and a read speed of 25.08 megabytes a second. Looking at these results, 2 things came to my mind. Number 1 was the rather slow write speed, and numero 2, the big difference in speed between read and write, which I don't really understand why, so if you have a theory why that might be the case, let me know down below. In case you're wondering, I used my MacBook Pro's USB 3 port to run these tests. I then tried to transfer a 1GB file to see how it performs, copying the file from my MacBook's internal SSD to the USB drive and then copying the same file back to the computer. In this test, it took 3 minutes and 40 seconds to write to the flash drive with an average speed of 4.55 megabytes a second. Copying the same file back to the computer took 41 seconds with an average read speed of 24 megabytes a second, which is actually quite close to our synthetic benchmark results. So here's the question, should you buy it? I don't know, depends on what your needs are, but what I can tell you is why I bought this particular USB drive. We used it to show images and videos on our TV in our shop, which didn't have a massive clearance between the wall and the TV since it was wall mounted, which is in essence is the biggest selling point of this drive since it's so small. Sometimes smaller is better. It's not the cheapest or the fastest, as you saw from the benchmark, but there was no need for us to pay extra for faster transfer speeds or storage capacity. We just needed a few videos and a few images, so it fits the bill just fine. But more importantly, we just needed something that would actually physically fit behind the TV. So yeah, in that case, the speed didn't matter too much. Oh, and by the way, we did use this like night and day for literally every day for the past 5 years, so reliability seems okay too. If you're interested in buying one, there's a link in the description down below. However, if you prefer something faster or bigger physically in terms of dimension, the device itself as well as the storage capacity, maybe you can check out my review on the SanDisk Ultra USB 3 flash drive instead. In any case, that's all I have for you today in today's short video. Thank you very much for watching as always. My name is Joe, and I'll see you in the next one.